Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm going to be teaching you how I do my own braids with doing the rubber band method. So first off, you want to part your hair and put rubber bands in it. And the hair I'll be using is from the makers of Expression 3x Jumbo Braid hair. This stuff right here. Yeah, this is the packaging. And the hair says hot water braid possible, easy and flat styling, style, light and soft, tangle for easy brushing, separation. I really do like this hair because it's really long, and yes, it's very, very soft. And these how the braids are looking. They're very, very long. They come down to like your rear end, literally. Disclaimer, I'm not a pro because this is my second time doing my own braids, and I really like how they look on me. And they last me a month, and I can even go longer sometimes. So now you're going to take your hair. You're going to get two sections. You're going to need two-thirds of hair. One bigger and one smaller than the other. Or you can do them any way how you want. Like, they're still going to turn out even as possible. There's one section right here. This could be the thin hair section. And take another one. Make it a little thicker. So after you separate the hair, you want to take the section and you want to feather the ends. Like, you don't want the ends blunt, because if you have the ends blunt, the braids won't look right. Like, you have to have feathery ends. If you want the braids blunt, I suggest that you would like do a braided bob that's shorter, the short braid bobs. Those are only when you want blunt ends, but no, not for this look. You do not want blunt ends. So get the ends as feathery as possible. And if you don't know what the term feathery means, like, it means you want the ends uneven, like almost looking like you need a trim, basically. That's how the hair needs to look. You do not want blunt, straight ends. You can also pull the hair like this, separate it so like it can get some length to it and make the look more feathery. Let me show you the difference. This is after doing the feathering. You don't want the ends too blunt. Want them like that. And this is before the feathering. See how blunt those ends are? You do not want the sections to look like this. Not too blunt. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other section of hair. Alright, so now you want to take both sections and you want to loop the hair. And what I mean by that, take the smallest section, put it under the largest section, and just loop it. And make sure that they're even so you won't have raggedy looking braids. You want the hair to go like this. And after that, you want to hold this section right here and let this section right here go, so where you have two separate sections, and you want to basically, this is how you're going to start braiding. You have it like this. Now you're going to start braiding. So now you're going to start braiding. And you want to make the middle section of the hair, the attach it to, hold it on and grip it to the your row hair right here. And you want to start braiding. And you want to have a good grip onto it so the hair at the roots won't make the rubber bands visible. Tug it real nice. Let's start braiding. My voice is messed up. I don't know why. Let's see, you want to see how the rubber band isn't showing? You want a good grip onto it. And just start braiding. Subscribe and follow the social media pages down in my subscription box, or they'll pop up in front of the screen like right now. And yeah, stay tuned for my next upcoming videos by turning on the post notification bells. Thank you all for watching again, and bye. Skr, skr.